In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create websites for local businesses with Claude. We're keeping this simple and powerful. You'll write one clear prompt, submit it, and let Claude generate a clean, beginner-friendly website you can easily customize. Start by opening a fresh chat with Claude. In the message box, you'll craft a concise brief that tells Claude exactly what to build. Here's the essence of what to say. Create a simple, modern website for a local business called Pickleball Rocket. Ask for clean HTML and CSS, with basic JavaScript only if it's truly needed. Emphasize that the site should be beginner-friendly, responsive, and easy to edit so you or a client can quickly make changes later. Spell out the sections you want so the structure is crystal clear. Include a homepage with a strong headline and a short description highlighting pickleball services or products. Add an About section that introduces the business and its personality. Include a services section, mention ideas like court rentals, coaching, or equipment, to show the types of offerings a local customer might expect. Request a contact section for inquiries, and finish with a simple footer. Also ask for a navigation menu at the top that links smoothly to each section. Describe the design style to guide the look and feel. Specify a clean, sporty, and energetic vibe with readable fonts and simple, accessible colors. Remind Claude to include placeholder text and images where needed so you can quickly replace them with real content. Make responsiveness explicit. The layout should look great on both desktop and mobile, with sections stacking neatly and navigation staying usable on small screens. Finally, set expectations for code quality. Ask for well-organized, easy-to-understand code, with logical structure and clear class names. This helps you or a teammate scan and edit the files without getting lost. Once your prompt is ready, click Submit. Claude will generate the full page markup, styling, and any small scripts if they're helpful, usually in clean copy-and-paste code blocks. Because you asked for responsive design, you should see CSS that adapts grids or flex layouts for smaller viewports. And because you requested clarity, the code will be straightforward to tweak. Swap in your own headlines, photos, and service details without hunting through complex files. That's all there is to it. By writing a focused prompt and clicking Submit, you'll get a polished starter website tailored to a local business, ready for quick edits and real-world use. Try this workflow with any niche. Just change the business name, services, and style keywords, and let Claude handle the heavy lifting.